Introducing the 2021 Seat Ibiza 1.0 TSI 95 HP SE 5-door in stunning blue. This hatchback boasts a 1-liter engine, manual transmission, and a range of luxurious features including air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and ambient lighting. Security is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out on your chance to drive home in style. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this fantastic car